This week I'm in BMW's M440i Gran Coupe. It does a lot of amazing things, not the least being the automated parking. I'm just going to pop the automated parking on. It's seen a spot. I press the P button, take my foot off the brake. Now I am doing this completely driverless, with no hands and with no feet. The car will get itself in. Frankly, I wouldn't be going that close to the curb, but it seems to know what it's doing. Oh. Oh, I just don't trust it. It f***ed it up right royally. We're driving along slowly. It's going to try and find a parking spot, which it's found. I'm going to press the parking button, take my foot off the brake. It has indicated for me. It's selected reverse, and it's doing this without any intervention from me. And it is the weirdest feeling. Weirdest feeling. It's taking those 19-inch wheels far too close to the gutter for my liking. Wow, oh gosh. So it'll center itself in the parking spot. Once it's done, it's unlocked the doors, put itself in park, and applied the parking brake. But that's not the end of it. You've got to confirm the direction while your foot is on the brake. You'll notice these little lime green buttons, lights have lit up. Oh wow. Now it's going to ask me to take over. And I've got to be prepared to take over. It's decided there wasn't quite enough room. Now it's going to ask me to take over. As it has, the little lights are flashing, and once I take over, the lights stop flashing. Okay, now we'll also get itself into a parallel spot. So I'm going to take my, I am observing, it's telling me to observe my surroundings. Now how it knows that's a spot with no car either side is beyond me. It's minding all the cars around me. It's going into this spot. That's just astounding. It's going to straighten up. Clearly it knows that there's no one around. The car is doing this all for me still. Clear picture here in the back of what it's doing. And let's see if it just gets to the end of the spot and stops. It did. And the amazing thing is that there's nothing at the back to tell it where the end of the parking spot is. This is just on normal old paving. I think that's just amazing. As always, hit like, leave a comment, and over there to subscribe.